Hey folks, thanks for tuning in again. Here Nate with RHRSwag.com, about to go with you the new RHR Retracting Tonneau and Rack Combo. And today we have a couple of great examples of the racks you can get. And of course, we'll roll through a few quick details on this beautiful all aluminum tonneau that you can get too, provided by Pace Edwards. Starting off with our racks right here, our full-sized by Pace Edwards. The EL200 is a 200-pound weight capacity, tie downs on each side of these crossbars. Super install with a couple of bolts that actually fit in this TSLOT channel. That's going to be the secret to how the RHR Tonneau and Rack Combo actually works. Is all of your hardware is going to fit in this nice T-slot. You'll be able to move these back and forth or completely remove with absolute ease. And Thule actually takes that to the next step, as you can see with these nice lockable mechanisms here in the feet that come with this particular rack. You'll be able to very quickly remove that or again adjust back and forth. Awesome system here with 3 different channels. You can actually cut this top bumper for that third access. So just like we've got this T-slot here, you're able to actually add additional accessories that'll use that same T-slot, like kayak carriers, truck tents, anything that you need to move as far as bike racks or stuff for even work. You'll be able to get it done for certain with this setup. The combination here is great because you'd be able to hold, let's say, kayaks on top. Down low here, we have a great selection of cargo carriers and things of that sort. And of course, ultimate heavy duty security and beautiful looks with this matte black, all metal Ultra Groove cover. Check this out and more and join us at RHRSwag.com.